Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert an image into sun icon in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show that convert an image into a sun icon. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click. Now click for a drawing option. Now click for image, then select a browse option. Now find your image. Now select for my image. Now for open in the document. Then show open from image in the document. Now this image convert from a into a sun icon. Now click for maximum image option. Now click for a shape option. Now click for sun. That is. Then resize your image. Now this image change color in the border. Now click for border edit option. Now click for px. Now for color, then choose color. Now click for save and close option. That is. Then show convert an image into sun icon in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.